Hey there, future comedy geniuses and content creators. Are you ready to unlock the secret to creating hilarious, jaw-dropping parody videos in just minutes? Whether you're a seasoned editor or someone who's never touched a video app before, this video is your golden ticket to becoming the next big thing in the world of parody. Welcome to How Anyone Can Create Parody Videos in Minutes, the ultimate guide to turning your funny ideas into viral masterpieces without breaking a sweat. Imagine this. You're scrolling through your favorite shows, movies, or memes, and suddenly, inspiration strikes. With just a few taps on your phone or computer, you're crafting a parody so good, it's racking up views, likes, and shares. In this video, we're diving into the easiest, fastest, and most beginner-friendly tools and techniques to create parody videos that'll have your audience laughing, sharing, and begging for more. From whether you're dreaming of parodying the latest blockbuster, a viral TikTok trend, or even your favorite reality TV show, this is your moment to shine. To get started, simply type Vidu AI video generator into your browser and choose the first option. Vidu is an AI model that can quickly turn text and images into high-quality videos. AI hugging videos are among the AI videos that can now be created for free. Use Vidu AI video generator to quickly create high-quality video ads. Vidu Studio AI provides animation and text-to-video capabilities that are ideal for marketers. Vidu Studio AI is an advanced platform that creates high-quality videos from scratch by using artificial intelligence. It gives users a range of strengths. To begin, use your Google account to log in or register, or continue with your email. Next, choose the reference to video menu from the home screen. After that, upload your reference photos. Up to 3 can be uploaded. Donald Trump is the character reference in this instance. The Squid Game outfit is the second reference, and the background image is the final one. Enter your prompt in the prompt bar now. Give a thorough description of the video you wish to create, including the movements, actions, camera styles, and other parameters. If you would like to gain more knowledge about AI videography, go to my channel and watch this videos. Next, make adjustments to the video duration, resolution, and aspect ratio. Launch your AI parody video by clicking the Create button.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for future uploads and hit the notification bell to never miss an update. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in the next video.